Before humans walked the earth, before cities rose, before even grass covered the land, this planet belonged to giants. The ground trembled with every step. The air carried deep, thunderous roars. For over 165 million years, dinosaurs ruled. They were real monsters and most successful animals in Earth's history. And then, in a single catastrophic chapter, almost all of them vanished. Around 230 million years ago, during the Triassic period, Earth looked very different. All continents were fused together into one massive supercontinent, Pangaea. The climate was harsh. Hot deserts stretched endlessly. Volcanoes reshaped the land. From reptile ancestors known as archosaurs, the first true dinosaurs evolved. They were small, fast, bipedal. One of the earliest known dinosaurs was Eropator, no larger than a dog. They were not rulers yet, they were survivors. But evolution was about to give them an advantage. As Earth entered the Jurassic period, climates became warmer and wetter. Forests expanded. Food became abundant. And dinosaurs grew, massive. Towering above the trees stood Brachiosaurus, reaching heights of nearly 40 feet. On the hunt was Allosaurus, a deadly predator with razor-sharp teeth. This was the golden age of dinosaurs. Ecosystems flourished. Predator and prey maintained balance. Herds migrated across vast landscapes. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated every continent. By the Cretaceous period, dinosaurs had reached their evolutionary peak. The most famous predator emerged, Tyrannosaurus rex. With bone-crushing jaws and unmatched power, it ruled North America. Defending themselves were giants like Triceratops, armed with horns and a massive frill. Small but intelligent hunters like Velociraptor may have hunted in coordinated groups. Many dinosaurs had feathers. Some were no bigger than chickens. They were not slow, stupid reptiles. They were diverse, adaptable. Dinosaurs laid eggs. Fossilized nests show evidence of parental care. Some species protected their young. Herbivores grazed on ferns, cycads, and early flowering plants. Carnivores hunted with powerful senses, vision, smell, and hearing, finely tuned for survival. Some traveled in herds for protection. Others hunted alone. At fossil sites like Hell Creek Formation, scientists have uncovered evidence of entire ecosystems frozen in time. Dinosaurs were not just giant beasts. They were living communities. How do we know all this? Through fossils. Bones buried in sediment for millions of years turn into stone. In 1842, scientist Richard Owen officially named the group Dinosauria, meaning terrible lizards. Modern technology allows paleontologists to CT scan fossils, analyze bone structure, study microscopic tissue, estimate muscle mass and speed. From a single tooth, scientists can reconstruct an entire predator. Science brought dinosaurs back to life. 66 million years ago, the world changed in a single day. It began as a light in the sky, not a star, not a comet passing peacefully by. A 10-kilometer wide asteroid was hurtling toward Earth at nearly 20 kilometers per second, faster than a rifle bullet. It struck near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico. The impact site? The massive Chicxulub crater. The collision released energy equivalent to over 100 trillion tons of TNT, billions of times more powerful than the atomic bombs dropped in World War II. Within seconds, a crater 180 kilometers wide was blasted into Earth's crust. Shockwaves triggered mega earthquakes across the planet. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high surged across ancient oceans. Everything within thousands of kilometers was instantly incinerated, but the real destruction came after. The impact vaporized rock and blasted debris high into space. Molten fragments rained back down through the atmosphere. As they re-entered, They heated the sky like a global oven. Forests ignited. Wildfires spread across continents. Evidence of this has been found in layers of charcoal, preserved in rock formations around the world. The planet wasn't just shaken, it was burning. Then came the silence, and sulfur particles were thrown into the upper atmosphere, forming a thick global veil. Sunlight was blocked. Photosynthesis nearly stopped. Temperatures dropped dramatically in what scientists call an impact winter. Some climate models suggest surface temperatures may have fallen by 10-15 C globally. For months, possibly years, Earth was trapped in darkness. Plants began to die. Without plants, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, carnivores followed. Food chains unraveled. Marine ecosystems collapsed as plankton, the base of ocean life, disappeared. This catastrophic event is known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, often called the Peak extinction. Approximately 75% of all species on Earth vanished. Non-avian dinosaurs, creatures that had ruled the planet for over 160 million years, were gone. The age of giants ended. The sky did not just fall that day, it reset the world. An asteroid ended one era, and unknowingly made way for another. If that rock had missed, dinosaurs might still rule the Earth, and we might never have existed. Did all dinosaurs die? Not entirely. One group survived: birds. Fossils like Archaeopteryx show the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and modern birds. Feathers, hollow bones, wishbones. The sparrow outside your window is a living dinosaur. They didn't disappear. They adapted. They took to the skies. New dinosaur fossils are discovered every year. Feathered species in China changed how we see them. But what about cloning? Movies like Jurassic Park made us believe we could bring them back. In reality, dinosaur DNA breaks down over millions of years. Cloning dinosaurs remains science fiction. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for 165 million years. Humans have existed for only a tiny fraction of that time. They were powerful, dominant, seemingly unstoppable. Yet extinction came suddenly. Perhaps dinosaurs are not just a story of the past. Perhaps they are a warning, because Earth does not belong to any species forever. And history has already shown, even giants can fall.